Okay, this video is picking up from video number 4 where we left off, and we added some CSS information to our website so that we have some color, we have some structure to the web page. This video is how to add an image to your web page, and we're going to do that by creating a new folder on our Chromebook in our websites folder. So you should have a couple of files called index.html and styles.css inside of your websites folder. We're going to make a new folder here by clicking the dots and choosing New Folder. We created files here. Now we want to make a folder in websites called Images. This is where we can store all of our pictures and use them in our web page. So I have a folder called Images. Anything that I download from the internet as a picture that I want to use in my website, I'm going to make sure it goes inside of the Images folder. So let's go do that right now. Here I am in Google Chrome. I have my website open, and I'm going to go to a new tab and type in Mesopotamia. You type in whatever your topic for your website is and look for a picture. And then I'll click Images. And I'm going to choose something I think that is appropriate for my website. And I think a picture of the civilization would be pretty interesting. Maybe some artwork. I'm going to go with this one. And then I'm going to click, right-click on it. I'm sure most of you know how to save a picture. And choose Save Images, or Save Image As. And when you click that, it's going to pop open with your Downloads folder. Do not save it there. You have to go save it in your HTML folder, your websites folder, your images folder, and give it a name. It should be named something that is easy to type and quick to find, and it's descriptive. I'm going to use this as just Mesopotamia.jpg for now. You can always rename these things later. And make sure it's in Images, which is inside websites, inside HTML, inside your drive. And make sure you pay attention that you kept .jpg. That makes sure the computer knows it's an image file, it's a picture. And click Save. All right. And I can check here in my Chromebook Files folder and go inside Images. And there it is. It's great. I know it's there. I can find it. Now, let's go add it to our web page. So I'm going to close out of this tab, staying organized, so I have just my website. Inside of Caret, we're going to add the picture to the body. So underneath my header tag, which is my title, Ancient Mesopotamia, we're going to create a image source equals, and we here are going to name this type Mesopotamia.jpg. All right, got that. Then we want to do a closing tag. Now, we don't have any information here about how big or if it's centered or where it's at on the page, but just simply that put an image called Mesopotamia.jpg on our page. You can go back to your website and you can click refresh. But there is a problem. We don't have any information about where that picture is. Just that there is a file called Mesopotamia.jpg. So what you should do is make sure that you say in the images folder, there is a file called Mesopotamia.jpg. Make sure to include images. That slash means check inside of images for a file called Mesopotamia.jpg. Check your spelling. Make sure it's actually saved in your images folder. Notice I have a capital I for images. Good to match everything. And click Save. Now, back on your web page, refresh. And there it is. Your image is now displayed on your web page. Now mine, I got lucky. It's the size that I pretty much want. It's not in the center. Maybe it could be bigger. It could be a little bit smaller. You can add more information in your CSS about an image or put it here. But for now, let's just focus on having your images folder and your pictures named properly. Good luck. As always, pause this video, go back and rewatch it to see that you get it to work. Good luck.